The first time I heard about Backblaze, I really couldn't believe it. I thought, what? How can you offer unlimited online backup for only $5 per month per computer? I was really flabbergasted when I read the advertising, and I really didn't believe it at first. Now, I've been using Backblaze for now maybe 3 or 4 years. I can't even remember when I first signed up. But as you can see, I've backed up more than 1 terabyte with them, and it works great. It backs up everything continuously. I've done several restores with it, and it just works. But how can they offer a software and a service that only costs $5 per month? I mean, heck, I'm paying like $5 for my coffee latte at Starbucks. So that's really weird to me. And I'm going to explain how that works. Now, first of all, we have to look at why and how Backblaze makes money. Now, obviously, storage price decreased in the last 5 years or so dramatically, and it continues to decrease because hard drives are getting cheaper and cheaper. So 2 or 3 years ago, Backblaze could, for example, buy 2 terabyte hard drives, and they would then create servers out of that hard drives and store all their customers' files on those hard drives. Now, today, they can buy 4 terabyte or even 8 terabyte hard drives and offer the same storage at less storage space at their data centers. So it's getting cheaper and cheaper for them. So they can obviously offer cheaper storage the more time passes, and the better the hard drive manufacturers continue improving and expanding the storage capacity of those hard drives. Also, another thing that you have to be aware of, and that's why Backblaze is not a scam, although some people may actually think that, Backblaze makes money only on a specific set of users. So for maybe I'm not working for Backblaze. It's just my personal opinion and experience how those business models work. For every power user that backs up maybe 1 terabyte or 5 terabyte or 10 terabyte of data, there come maybe 100 of users who only back up maybe 10 or 20 gigabyte of files. And Backblaze obviously has made their calculations that they're going to make money on those users, which are maybe 80% or 90% of their users. And they're obviously the power users, where Backblaze could actually lose some money on them, but they don't care because they have all the other people that basically pay for just a fraction of that storage. And most of the time, those power users could be also evangelists for Backblaze and its service, and recruit other people to back up their files with Backblaze. And this is like an automatic and free marketing for them. So that's how their business model works, and that's how Backblaze can offer actually terabytes of free online backup for your files. And if you'd like to know more about Backblaze and what it can do for you, and whether it's good or not, or whether it's the right choice for your files, you can really head over to cloudwords.net, where we publish an in-depth review on Backblaze. You can also read customer ratings. If you scroll down to that page, we have maybe 20 people who rate the service and write really a lot of detail about why they like or dislike the product. And then you can really form your own opinion, or you can also head over to our comparison chart, clicking now right at the top of this YouTube video on the top right, and then you can compare other services to Backblaze. So if you're interested in Backblaze, you hit compare, and let's say you want to compare it with CrashPlan and Carbonite. You have 3 providers selected, and then you can start the comparison and browse the in-depth features here and read a review or visit the site directly to inspect this service. So I really hope I could shed some light on why Backblaze is so cheap and why other services can actually provide unlimited online backup for $5 a month. It's just the business model. And if you like this video, please give it your thumbs up and leave a comment or a question below this video, and we'll be happy to get back to you. So we're going to see us in the next video. Bye-bye.